Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create an assembly from the existing or new 3D models with the help of FreeCAD Assembly Workbench. In the left side, you find the exploded drawing of each components. Today, we create from these components, step by step, the assembly product in FreeCAD. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this assembly. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Assembly Workspace. Next, save the assembly in the correct folder. The next step is to insert the solid parts in the product. Now, press the Open File button and import the files. Select the 5 files to insert dialog window. Next, select the first or the base body. Activate the Yes button to make the base body grounded. Grounded tool fixes the position and orientation of a shape in relation to the coordinate system of the assembly. Next, select the other bodies and insert to the assembly. For these products, additional to the other bodies, we need 2 brackets and 2 bushings. Insert or copy the bracket and the bushing again. All bodies are inserted, then close the dialog window. Before you start constrain the bodies, please rename them according to the part names. To rename the bodies, use F2 button. You find the 3D parts of the bracket and the roller in exercise 81 and 82. Now, we start to constrain the components with the assembly tools. First, check if the assembly is active. Next, constrain the bushings to the roller with the fixed joint tool. Double-click the second bushing and then rotate it 180 degrees. Now select the shaft and the roller outer face and then activate again the fixed joint tool. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Next, we constrain one of the bracket to the base with the help of fixed and parallel joints. Now, constrain the roller assembly to the first bracket with the revolute tool. The next step is to constrain the second bracket to the base. The procedure is the same as the first bracket. Set the angle to 180 degree. To avoid any rotation, apply the parallel joint. As you see, the assembly is finalized. In the last step, I will show you how to animate the assembly. First, select the revolute joint and then activate the simulation tool. Now press the plus button and then click the OK button. Next, click the Generate button and then press the Play button. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.